Hi, if you don't know me, I'm Fire, and I'm hiking the CDT in 2021. And this is my gear that I'm going to take with me. This is my Z-Pex Sub Nero. It's just came out, 17 liter main body. They call it a 30 liter pack. No, but it does me what I need. It's what I needed. I wanted something really small, and starting off with a Lightning Equipment 10 degree sleeping bag. I got my Smart Wool 150 top and bottom, and then I got my Kuru 5 ounce fleece, the Peloton 97 fleece. I got a gossamer pad. I got gloves. Not very much stuff. I got a fanny pack from Hyperlight. I've been loving that and digging that. It's a big one. It's cool. I got Z-Pex food bag. A cold soak, 'cause there's my Coke pot. And then I'm lining my Z-Patch bag with their large food bag insert. And I'll be hiking in this shirt, blue kilt, sport kilt, and then Crocs. I got 3,300 miles in Crocs now. So, and after the CDT, it's gonna be 6,000 or plus. Oh, can't wait. Hope to see anyone out on trail.